Hello my cuddle bugs, welcome back to my channel. It's Anna-Marie Mukbang and today I have a collab with Trejo's World. What is that sound? Feel free to check out his channel. Make sure you guys check out his channel. Going on with the lighting. What are you doing, Colton? What are you doing? You guys, I'll be right back. Colton, what's all that noise? Colton, why would you do that to me? Ow! You guys, I don't know what just happened, but I've been bit. I've been bit. Oh my god! 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 I'm gonna turn into a fucking zombie! Oh my god! Ah! Oh! It's in front of me. Up in my face. Oh, I'm a zombie. Getting hungry. Need to make some shit for zombies. Oh, I said I was fucking hungry, and this is the shit they give me. This is the shit. What is this shit? Oh. Brains. It's brains, people. It's brains. Oh, I love ooey gooey. Great. Okay. Have you guys ever had brains before? This is some zombie fucking food, guys. Zombie food. Oh. Mmm. Mmm. I feel so much better, you guys. Brains just really calmed me down. Ever since my kid turned me into a zombie. Brains is the only thing that keeps me sane. I need brain juice. I need brain juice. Zombies cannot live off of brains alone. If you're wondering what that is, it's a cat scratch. Everlyn Reed.
Just joking, that's zombie raps, bitches. I've noticed also, since I became a zombie, that I swear a lot more. I have jerks a lot more, and I think it's because my brain is telling me to feast. This is zombie juice. You need a big one, as big as your head. 24 ounces of good zombie juice right here. Right now. Oh, shit. That's a zombie fuzz. Yes. 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 I was afraid this would happen, you guys. I was so beautiful before this happened to me. I was so fucking beautiful. I was once beautiful. And now I'm not. Before I became zombie mom. I had this long, beautiful, well, I guess my hair's a goddamn same. Sorry, Jesus. I had these beautiful green eyes. Now they're dull. I had this beautiful, flawless skin. Now that's gone. I had cute, perky boobs. Now they sag. Let me tell you the story of how my son became infected. I didn't tell you before because I was scared that you guys would find out. I was so traumatized when it happened. I didn't know what to do with myself, okay? So, you remember that hayride I told you guys we went on? And I told you guys I was hacking because I got fucking hay shit in my lungs. Well, that shit wasn't hay. I read on the news it was toxic biological matter. Toxic shit, okay? It was toxic shit. It went in my son's lungs and it turned him into a brain-eating zombie. And I've been hiding in my room every night so he doesn't come eat my brains while I sleep. I haven't filmed him because he was slowly turning into a zombie. And then one day, as I started doing a collab with Trejo, he came into my room and he bit me right here in this spot. Do not take your kids on hayrides. You will turn into a zombie. Well, they will turn into a zombie, and then you'll turn into a zombie because they bite you. Then you'll be like me. Needing zombie juice. This is actually a pretty big one. It was on sale. The lady looked at me like I was crazy buying one of these. Screw you, lady. You do not know what it's like to be a zombie mom, okay? This keeps me sane for today. Colton's feasting right now. Oh. Mm-hmm. Pause.
I hope you guys are liking this video so far. Colton's scared of me with this look on, so I just had to give him a little hug. Did you turn mommy into a zombie? You didn't do it? Okay, bye.
Anyway, that child came in here, was trying to convert me back. You saw how he has no zombification anymore? I cured him. Through my blood, sweat, and tears, I cured him. With the cure of honey with peanut butter on toast. It didn't work for me. It's getting worse. It's getting worse. My body is slowly getting worse. These long succulent lips are crumbling. It's almost like I got lip injections and they're failing. God damn it, can you hear that goddamn rain? I hope I put the windows up to my zombie bill. So let me talk you through how I make my zombie brains. You take water and you salt your water. Rice candy cakes. Then you put in your noodles. Wait, I take that back. You gotta dye that shit green first. Because green brains are the best. And green dye is the best. Green zombie brains are the only way to go if you want to be zombie mom, okay? I need to. Okay, weatherman. And then what you do is you cook your noodles. And then you cheesify that shit. Wow, it's a white zombie too. When I get excited, I gotta take a little bit of zombie juice and then I kind of calm down. My blood boiled so fast when they became a zombie. See how my normal voice is kind of back? Well, anyway. And you cheesify that shit. Once you cheesify it, you gotta glorify it with these hot goddamn Cheeto shits. Because the power of the Cheetos makes the mama zombie happy. Okay? Okay. Oh, fuck, it's happening. Oh, fuck, it's happening, 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 it's happening. The hemorrhage is coming. It's a zombie mom, your blood boils. Hold on, hold on. It happened. It's the worst part about being a zombie mom. You get this shit in your throat, and it's a fucking blood clot, you guys. It's like a hemorrhage blood clot, and then the shit just starts dripping everywhere. You guys. The only cure is that honey and peanut butter toast, and it's not working for me. It's not working for me, you guys. Anyways. making some good juicy toast for snack later. Do you guys want me to show you what the juicy toes look like? Too bad, because I gotta cut them off of a human. And zombie moms only like baby toes. And there ain't no babies around here, so I ain't getting no snack, okay? If you made it this far, thank you for joining me. Like, comment, and fucking subscribe. Check out Trejo's channel. It's linked in the damn description. But don't let that motherfucker near you. I swear, he's the one who put that shit in that hay and made my son a zombie child. And then the zombie child came and got me. And now look at me. I'm a fucking decaying piece of shit. So thank you, Trejo. Well, thank you very much, Trejo. Thank you very much. Trejo. Like, comment, and subscribe, people. And don't become a zombie.